How much do you love shopping? What if I told you that you could have a side hustle that allowed you to make some extra income and do something you love at the same time? Well, today I'm going to go over what a mystery shopper does and how you can make extra money being a mystery shopper. All right, so before we jump in, I got to know down in the comments, let me know. Do you like giving your opinion on products? Do you like giving reviews or your opinion based on a different experience that you had? If so, I want to know all about it. Let me know down in the comments what's something that you like to give your opinion about. Well, you can channel your inner Gracie heart from miscongeniality to go undercover to find the truth. Okay, so you can go undercover, but you just need to act like a normal, everyday shopper. So what exactly is a mystery shopper? A mystery shopper is someone who's paid by a company to undertake certain tasks for them to do. So think about it this way. Let's pretend that you own a company, but you can't be there all the time and you want to know what's going on. So instead of going under disguise, like in the show Undercover Boss, you can hire someone to do that for you. They will act like a normal customer and carry out all the tasks that you ask them to do. Now, the last thing that I want to happen to you is that you get scammed into companies for mystery shoppers that aren't legit. So today I'm gonna go over the 5 best mystery shoppers that pay great and that are also legitimate companies. So go ahead and smash that like button and let's get into it. So the first company that I'm going to go over is Market Force, and right on their website it says get paid to shop or eat or play. Become a mystery shopper for Market Force and get reimbursed for something you enjoy. This is a great company that you can sign up for free and start making some money from. Some companies on here include restaurants, cafes, banks, even some clothing stores. So you will get reimbursed for full or partial of part of the task that you had to complete for that company. In order to become a mystery shopper with Market Force, you would fill out the online application to become a mystery shopper, create your account, answer some questions, and then sign your agreement form, and you can start becoming a shopper. Okay, one of the biggest mystery shopper companies out there is Bestmark, and I brought up their website again here, and they actually sometimes use the word field representative interchangeably with the word mystery shopper. So sometimes you'll see that instead of mystery shopper, but they're the same thing. Some of the income that you can make definitely depends on the job that you take, but this company is so cool because they even have some mystery shopping or field representative jobs at hotels or resorts. So this company is really unique. One thing that I know that this company is legitimate company is because when I scroll all the way down to the bottom, I can see that they are backed by the BBB. So you know that they are a reputable company. These are definitely a mystery shopper job that you want to apply for and get started with. It's super easy to apply. You just come up to the top here, become a mystery shopper, and you can hit apply and you can go ahead and fill out the application to get started. All right, so coming in third on our list for mystery shopper jobs that are legit is Teleshop, and they're pretty big. There's 3 ways that you can work with them, either on site at the location that they send you to do, through website, and on the phone. So there's a couple different ways that you can be a mystery shopper with them. And they're actually a pretty big company who they use some pretty big retailers in order to have some of those mystery shopper experiences. So as you can see on the bottom here, I saw Kia, Jack in the Box, Disney. So they're really known for those bigger companies, transportation companies, home goods, insurance. So definitely they're worth checking out. How you get paid through Teleshop is through PayPal, and you will get all your jobs lumped together in one sum and get money sent to you that way versus every job that you complete. So they're definitely worth taking the time to look into and to start applying to. All right, next on our list is Secret Shopper, and they have been around since 1990, so you definitely can trust that they are a legitimate company to become a mystery shopper for. So I just hit sign up to shop, and this is what it brought me to. So for this company, you do have a basic certification test that you are required to complete, and then you'll have your personal information, some agreements, and then you'll get your shopper ID and password that you can start accepting some job. The payment for Secret Shopper, they range about $15 to $25. if the company does send you out to a restaurant, they will reimburse you back for your meal. For Secret Shopper, they do ask that you have access to a printer, a scanner, some sort, so that you can upload your receipt and prove that you completed the task. This is definitely a company that I would start with as becoming a mystery shopper. All right, coming in fifth, last on our list, is Sinclair Customer Metrics. And they are best known for being a little more versatile with how you can complete different mystery shopping jobs. So not only do they offer in-store mystery shopping, but they do videos and telephones. So there's just a different wide range of different jobs that you could get in order to become a mystery shopper. Some of the industries that they include are grocery stores, convenience stores, different restaurants, also retail and banking. In order to get started, you can hit new mystery shopper sign up and you'll start entering your information, and you can also become a mystery shopper through Sinclair Customer Metrics. So I would definitely check them out because they are legitimate as well. So if mystery shopping sounds like something that's right up your alley, that you can combine something that you love, going out and shopping and just acting like a normal customer, along with providing your review and your opinion on what you experienced, I would definitely start to make some extra money through mystery shopping. I did want to mention they do have a mystery shopper Providers Association. I have the website brought up here, so definitely check them out if you're looking for more information into becoming a mystery shopper. I hope you like this video today. Go ahead and give it the thumbs up if you learned something that you want to start working on, and so glad that I could provide you with another money-making idea.